Mahir from Chambers Theory here, bringing you the do's and don'ts of garbage disposal care. Do feed it small scraps, but don't feed it things like bones, fibrous veggies, a large volume of food. Your garbage disposal is not a trash can. And remember, always use cold water to flush it down. Keeping these tips in mind helps extend the life of your disposal and avoids unnecessary service calls. Chambers Theory is all about real estate with intelligence, and that means smart living in every aspect of your home.